my crafty people, Lena here with a new box of goodies. Now y'all know I make jewelry, and I've been watching this Sam's Bead Box for a while, and I decided to sign up. And let's see what we got from Sam's Bead Box. I'm not gonna make nothing tonight. We're just gonna look at the stuff that's in there. Okay. First of all, they have a little story here about the Waltz of the Flowers. In 1944, the San Francisco Ballet performed the first unibridge production of the Nutcracker in the States with a tiny $1,000 budget. There's a whole story there. It's really cool. But you don't want me to read that. You want me to get into the goodies. I know, because that's what I want. All right. And they got this stuff wrapped up good. Let's use this piece of paper. The remote's good for something. Okay. All right. And there's a bag. Get rid of that one. Now on the opposite side of this is a list of everything that's in here. Oh, and good, it's labeled. This is awesome. This is really awesome. Okay. Look at those flower beads. Oh, those are pretty. Oh, those are pretty. My friend is sitting next to me, so she's like, ooh, let me see. Oh, those are little teardrops. Oh, that's pretty too. Wow. Oh, I like those colors. Little glass beads. I'll have to figure out which ones is which, because I don't know. I'm new to this. All right, let's see what else we got in here. Ooh, some pearls. Those are pretty. You see the detail on those? Marble. Okay. And then we got this one. They go good together. They do. So far, everything goes pretty good together. Oh, look at those. And these are called champagne quartz. They're glass. You get 2 faceted teardrops and 1 nugget. Wow. I'm trying to get it open. So that's the nugget. Look, and there's a hole in it too, so that'll make it easy to... Oh, I love that shape. Look at that one. And that one. Oh, those are pretty. Oh, wow. You know, this wasn't a bad deal. You know, I was worried about how much it would cost. Now, these are glass hibiscus flowers and amethyst mixed. These are pretty. Check that out. That is pretty. And the hole, is it in the middle? Doesn't look like it. Oh, it's on the side. So that way you don't lose any of the prettiness when you put it on a wire or a thread. That's pretty. And I'm going to reuse these labels. And these are etched clear crystal purples. Oh, those are cute. All right. Look at those. Those are pretty. These are just fun. All right. Some more flowers. glass daisies. Aren't those pretty? These are glass daisies, look. Oh, so pretty. And here's two. And I hear kittens. Would y'all like to see the kittens? These are blue heart crystals. I just fed Mama, so Mama's come over to feed the kittens. Look at that. Those are pretty too. Those would be pretty on earrings. There's a lot of stuff in here. Now these are lavender, amethyst gold. Y'all need to go check out Sam's Bead Box. I'll put the link. Look at those. Aren't those pretty? Okay, this one is a flower, teal gold, mandala, and it's just one. Look at the detail in that. And can you see it all right? What are these called? White opal gold. This is pretty cool. It ain't done yet. We still got more stuff. All right, this is white silk gold, and they're barrels. Very pretty. Let's see what these are. These are blue sky mix, and they're leaves. Oh. Little leaf. Now this one, a citrine nugget. 1 ounce of them. These are nuggets. They're different sizes. Those are cool. These are jade long pears and a dyed purple and a blue. Those are pretty. Okay, what's this? Oh, look, we got some charms or connectors. It says a Revola Link crystal, a gold plate 1 piece, and a crinkle leaf charm antique gold. Oh, see the crystal? That's cool. And then there's the leaf. That is so cool. And some more string pearls or beads here. Oh, look at those. Aren't those pretty? Look how they sparkle. Wow. And then, oh, I like these. And these are spacer beads. Here, whoops, this is tangled. I don't have any spacer beads this color. And those are pretty. They're kind of heavy. Those are pretty too. I bet these are, those are heavy. Well, that's it for the bead box. And here's a little story. So I got all this stuff, all this, in that little bitty box. And here's the, if y'all want to blow it up and read it. It's upside down. Maybe I should turn it this way. And, hang on. I know Mom's still in a kitten. And here's a kitten. Anybody want a kitten? Got 3 of them. Well, really, I got 5. 2 mamas. Yeah, I know. Yeah, you said, what's this old mean woman doing to me? The old mean woman. And then Chewy's gonna be jealous. And they're little fat little things. I got 2 little Siamese ones. Yeah, this is Chewy right here. See, Chewy, you gonna say hi? Yeah, Chewy's very jealous. She doesn't like me holding the kittens. There you go, Mama. I'll give it back. All right, well, that's today's video. Y'all hit that like button, and I'll be back. We're going to figure out what to make with these beautiful little beads, and we'll talk soon. Bye.